at 5. You bought it to help you go hands-free in the car, but that device suctioned to your car's front windshield actually breaks another law in Georgia. It is illegal to affix anything to your windshield.
Now, drivers all over the state are in violation, but Fox 5's Claire Sims reports one legislator wants to fix that.
It's a simple way to follow Georgia's hands-free driving law.
I know that when that law passed, a lot of people bought those.
But it turns out, State Representative Timothy Barr says sticking a phone mount to your windshield breaks another state statute.
It is illegal to currently affix anything to your windshield.
With so many of these devices out on the road, Representative Barr says it's important to clear up any ambiguity in the law.
This is a problem. We've asked people not to do something and then kind of forced them into doing something else that was illegal.
So Wednesday, Barr filed a bill to address the issue. House Bill 171 would allow drivers to use mounts on their windshields for GPS and cell phones as long as they don't block too much of their view. Driver Hannah Williams thinks it's a good idea for lawmakers to revisit the rules.
It's a little confusing, I think, so I'm glad that they're going back and doing that to just make it clear.
Barr says it can be difficult to find mounts that comply with Georgia's current law, and he believes the safety benefits of hands-free driving outweigh the risks associated with these types of devices.
I realized the problem when I'm trying to look for one online that would work in my vehicle. So this is perhaps, yes, a selfish bill in that way, but I think it's kind of funny and it'll fix the problem.
In Atlanta, Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.